Hey guys, welcome to Textures Tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn about how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy for free. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. So as you can see in here, we're actually onto the page of Etsy since we're going to create a beautiful digital planner from scratch, which is perfect for selling on Etsy. So just like this. So let's gonna go over first onto a quick overview onto what is Etsy so that you'll have an idea onto what this all about. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this step-by-step guide will help you design an eye-catching planner using the free platform, which is Canva. So let's gonna go ahead and go through the quick overview on what is Etsy. So, this is actually an online marketplace where individuals and small businesses can buy and sell handmade vintage and unique items just like digital planners. So, these provides a platform for creators to showcase their handmade crafts, vintage finds, art, and other creative products. So, users can browse through a diverse range of items, often crafted with a personal touch, and support independent sellers. So, on the other hand, for the tool that we're going to use, which is Canva in here, so it is a web based graphic design tool that will allow users to create a variety of visual content easily. So, for this one, it offers a user friendly interface with drag and drop features, making it accessible for individuals without advanced design skills. It also provides you with templates and design elements for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, and many more. So it is a versatile tool used by both professionals and beginners for designing visually appealing content for various purposes. And for us to be able to get started, so it is actually very nice for us to check out Etsy in here and search for digital planners so that you'll have an idea onto how it should look like. So you need to plan ahead on how it should look like. So let's click onto this one in here. So you can see this has more like of a calendar in here. So we could try to do something like that. And also here onto the other things. So these are some of its ideas. So we could get some inspiration on what we want to have our student planner or how it should look like. Or you could just create your own design if you are feeling very creative as of the moment. So as you can see, here are some of the things that we could do in here. So for example, we're going to do something for 2024 digital planner. So we'll head back here onto Canva, and for us to be able to get started, we're going to go ahead and click onto create a design. Now, as you can see, here there are suggested things that you could do. So there are documents and many more in here. And also if you scroll down in here, you could start creating from the different medias that you have added onto Canva, or you could import a custom size or import a file. So what we'll need to do in here, there is actually a template already for a planner in here. We're gonna go ahead and click onto that one so that it will gonna go ahead and get us redirected onto the planner template. Now, as you can see, once you get redirected onto this page, so this is where the editing happens. So we have your different templates for planner in here. So you could choose for just planner, weekly planner. We have daily planner, notes, Christmas, and many more. So we're going to start off the first page in here as your main page of your digital planner. So we could go ahead and try to update the background for that. So you could choose your favorite color for that. You could just use this on different styles that it offers so that you could go ahead and try to have it like that. And then right after, we'll add in a text tool in here, and we could add in something in here like a text that says digital planner. So I kind of like not having that one both onto the same thing so that we could go ahead and try to update the different words in here just like that. So we could add in like that. You could also change in the font color and the font size for that one. And then we could add in here, planner. And then right after, you could also change the font for that one. So this will be up to you onto what design you have in mind for this. So that is why I've suggested earlier so that you could browse onto the different digital planners that Etsy offers so that you'll have a guess onto what you should or what your design should look like. So we could just change this to white. So let's choose white from here. And I think it does not really pop up the color. So we could try to just choose which color you prefer. So I think we're going to leave this to black. We're going to make this bigger. And then right after, you could do it like that. So you could add in also a date for that. So for example, or a year. You want to have this one for 2024. We could add in like that. And then We could also change the different font for that one. So you could just change it like that, and then you could move it like that as well. So we could go ahead and try to have this one onto the middle part like that, and then just try to update it as per your liking. Now to make it more visible, you could also add in some effects onto your text in here like that one, and also you could try to add in a curve for that so that it would look like this. So kind of like how this one turned out already. And then right after, the next thing that we could do in here is to add in another page. So we'll click onto another page in here, and then right after, now, so you can see for the next page in here, we could go ahead and utilize the different templates that we have in here. So we could actually add in something like this one in here, like a weekly planner. So you could just go ahead and try to customize this, since I don't think the color of it suits the color that we have here. So you could actually try to do that, or you could just try to choose onto the different templates that it offers in here that is actually matching onto the first page that we have. So you could go ahead and try to get this one. So I kind of like how this one turned out, since it actually is green as well. So you could change the template style for that one. You could actually change in some colors so that it would match the color that you have onto the first page that you have in here. Now for the next page, since we have a weekly planner already, you could add in also a daily one. So you'll just have to add this daily planner that you could see onto the different templates that we have in here. So let's just gonna remove that one out, and let's add it here onto the third page. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it here so that it should show in here. And then right after that, now right after, we could add in another page again for that, and this is actually for notes. So you could go ahead and just click onto the templates in here and find notes or any lined papers in here that we could utilize. So we're gonna go ahead and search for something that is actually a very nice that might work onto this one. So as you can see, I think this one is good. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to update also the color of this one so that it would actually match the colors that we have under digital planner. Now also, we could add in for the last part in here a calendar, since mostly of the different digital planners that we could see onto Etsy, they actually have a calendar for that. So we could go ahead and try to search in here calendar in the templates, and then we could go ahead and try to search if you wanted to have it monthly or yearly, so that we could add it here onto the last page of our design. So as you can see, we have your 2024 calendar. We could go ahead and drag and drop it in here, and it should look like this. And we could go ahead and also try to update the color of this one so that it would match the theme of our digital planner. Now, once everything is set, you could go ahead and try to save this so that you could go ahead and upload it to Etsy. Now, to save this, you'll just have to click onto share in here, and then right after, there would be a download option available. Click onto download in here, and then right after that, you should be able to choose a format onto your design. Now you should choose PDF for that one, since there are a lot of options available. And then right after that one, you'll just have to click on the download so that you could go ahead and try to upload it onto Etsy once you have downloaded your digital planner. And that's just basically it onto making a digital planner to sell on Etsy just for free. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto our next video.